especially in classics. 1969 Chevrolet Camaro convertible. 350 V8 powered underneath the hood that is paired up with a 5-speed Tremec manual transmission and also nicely equipped. We're talking power steering, power brakes, AC. Best of all, this car underwent a frame-off restoration. A little over 2,000 miles ago is all. What became affectionately known as the ice cube trays in the northern climates. Nice glossy yellow paint, and let's take a look at this front bumper, grille. Again, not representing as an SS. So SS tribute, let's go with that. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside of this car, check out the interior, check out the engine bay. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Take a look up and down the passenger side of this car. You can see how straight it is. And again, nice luster to that paint. Interior, bucket seat, of course. Center console. And then you have the 5-speed Tremec shifter there. And of course, RS gauge cluster. That RS look. Take a look from the rear to the front now, down the passenger side. I was riding on a torque thrust style wheel, I guess I'd call it. RT5 was the brand. BF Goodrich radials. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at the rear chrome. There is also a convertible cover or a parade boot that will go with it. It's actually in that red vinyl case there. I have it off now just because I'm going to put this top up here at the end so you can take a look at that. It is a black fabric or black cloth top. It's in nice shape. And we'll look at that here at the end after we start it up. Let you hear it run. Check out the engine bay. Again, there's that houndstooth cloth vinyl combination. Door panel. Seats are free of rips, tears, holes. Show well, I noticed there was one button. Needed a little TLC right there on the back of the seat. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. Let you hear it run. Check out the exact sound of this car and exactly what's going on in the interior here. Right there, tachometer, working order. Let's come down to these gauges. Here's the fuel gauge one up. Oil pressure. That was a cold start, so I'd expect to see the temp gauge there. Of course, the voltmeter. AC runs off of switches right here, built into the original controller. Did have it blowing cold earlier. AM radio, also had that work. Just a little bit of fine tuning. You got it down. See if I can get it to work for us. I don't know if you can hear that or not. Rear speakers. There you get an idea. Radio does work. Take a peek at the top of the dash. Make sure we're in neutral. Slip around to the back of this and hear it run. There you go. Nice throaty exhaust note to that 350. All right, let's slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this a second. We'll pop this hood, let you check out the engine bay, and we'll put that top up, let you snoop that over, and we'll wrap this video up. Take a look under here. So, underside of the hood, perfect. There's that 350, power steering, power brakes, AC, HEI ignition, Edelbrock intake. Looks like a Performer RPM, Edelbrock carb. As you can see, AC has been converted. Is the 134. Looks like heater hoses, everything hooked up and intact underneath there. You can see, and here, nice and smooth that runs. So one last pause here. I'm going to shut it off, get that top up. Let's check that out and we'll wrap up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And here it is with the top up. So black cloth top. See, it fits nicely above the windshield. And of course, again, there's pictures with the top up all the way around the car and close-ups. But see, it's free of rips, tears, holes. See through the back window fine. And just as nice over here on the passenger side. Looks like it's probably a newer top. Gonna serve the purpose. You need it to keep your dryer just out of the sun. There it is. First gen Camaro, 1969 Chevrolet Camaro convertible. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in.